Everyone, how are you all? Today I'm standing on the beautiful campus of HT College of Commerce, and this is Saurabh Sharma, Assistant Professor, HT College of Commerce, and I qualified my MCom and NT in NET, and I have 7 years of teaching experience in the income tax and accountancy, and my specialization in the accountancy and income tax. So I'm going to teach you today the important topic of income tax, which is person, and the section of person is 2 subsection 31. So once in a debate, a panelist asked from late finance minister Shri Arun Jaitley ji that why can't we adopt the single tax rate system, why we have the multiple tax rate system and the confusion. We should adopt the single tax rate system on the commodities and goods and on the persons also. Then reply of the Arun Jaitley ji, I'm quoting Mr. Arun Jaitley ji, can you charge the tax on a gold and a tomato and potato and the beans at a single rate? Can you charge the heavy machinery, can you charge a tax on heavy machinery and the toffees and chocolates with a single rate? No, you couldn't. That's why Mr. Arun Jaitley ji said that due to diversity of India, due to diversity of the incomes of the persons of India, we should adopt the multiple tax system, and due to multiple tax system, we should identify, we should segregate the different category of taxpayer into different. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the most important topic, persons. Firstly, we will understand the meaning of person, and then after we will learn it, and after that we will learn it thoroughly. So first, the definition of person, section 2 subsection 31. As per section 231 of Income Tax Act 1961, the term person include, क्या क्या include हो सकता है person में? Number 1, individual, HUF, company, firm, association of person, body of individual, local authority, and artificial judicial person. Let's learn it again. Individual, HUF, company, a partnership firm, AOP, BOI, local authority, and artificial judicial person. So difficult to understand, difficult to learn the name. So I created a learning technique, mnemonic. Let's learn it. So learning technique is chai pilo auntie. Chai, the favorite of everyone. So there I decided to make a mnemonic on chai, and the mnemonic is chai pilo auntie. And C for company, H for HUF, A for artificial judicial person, and I for individual, and P for partnership, and L for local authority, and A for artificial judicial person. एक बार आप इसे दोबारा भी कर सकते हैं. Company, HUF, C for company, H for HUF, A for artificial judicial person, I for individual, P for partnership firm, L for local authority, and A for association of person and body of individual. I hope with this simple and interesting mnemonic you are able to learn this definition of person as per section 2 subsection 31 of the Income Tax Act very easily in a very frequent way. Let's understand it, the each and every component of the each and every part of the definition thoroughly. The first part of the definition is individual. In individual, we have only natural person. Individual refers to natural human being, whether male, female, minor or major. It means a human being. Individual is also called sole proprietor, like you, me, and an every person created by the God. Okay, next understand the next. Hindu undivided family. Every Hindu family which is registered as a Hindu family and doing a business for the profit purpose is called the Hindu undivided family. It is a relationship between created due to operation of Hindu law. The manager of HUF is also called Karta. Have you seen the person, old man sitting in the center of the family. He is a karta, and whole the family is Hindu undivided family. And company, everyone is know about the concept of company. A company is an artificial person registered under the Companies Act 1956 or any other law. If you want to make the business on large scale, and you need the ample amount of funds, and want to generate the fund, want to issue shares, and then you have to register yourself as a company. And the another benefit of company is you can register yourself for the limited liability also. The core benefit of company is limited liability. And the next is partnership firm. If you want to do a business on a not on large scale, but on a some simple scale, then, and you need more person other than employees, then you have to hire as them as a partner. Okay, it is a entity which comes into existence as a result of partnership agreement between the persons to share profit of the business carried on by all or any of them through partnership firm. Does not have a separate legal entity, yet it is regarded as separate legal entity under Partnership Act. Okay, so partnership firm. Partnership, important point of partnership firm is partnership firm does not have the separate legal entity. Partnership have minimum 2 partner and maximum 200 partners, and the persons of the partnership firm is called the partners, and the rate of a partnership firm is flat rate 30%. And the next form of business, next form of person in the covered under the definition of section 231 of Income Tax Act is local authority. What is local authority? Like you see in the picture, the Gram Panchayat or municipal board is called the local authority. In the next, artificial judicial person. What is artificial judicial person? No, Mr. Shaktikan Das is not an artificial judicial person. Rather, the scenery, rather the sculpture behind the Mr. Shaktikan Das, Honorable Governor of RBI, is the artificial judicial person. Reserve Bank of India is an artificial judicial person. Let's read the definition of artificial judicial person. A public corporation established under a separate act of legislature or a body having juristic personality of its own are known to be the artificial judicial person. Universities, RBI, SEBIs are the examples of artificial judicial person. And the next is association of person and body of individual. When you form a new business with the two or more individual, like Ram and Sham doing a business simultaneously, called the body of individual. While if we start the business with the company, partnership, artificial judicial person, then we call it association of person. That core difference in the AOP and BOI, in BOI only individuals are there, rather in case of AOP, BOI and company, partnership, all are there. Okay, so thank you everyone. In this video I taught you the meaning of persons and the definition of person as per section 31 of the Companies or Income Tax Act 1961. So let's finish this video. Thank you guys.